Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable airplane mode on Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, we'll need to first click on the right side of our screen, right here on the bottom, on the Wi-Fi, volume and battery. Then there's the airplane mode. You can click on it once to enter airplane mode. When it's blue, it's activated. When it's white like that, that means it's deactivated. There's also a second option to enable or disable it, and you can do it by opening your start, going through the settings, and now we need to locate network and internet. Then there's the airplane mode, and you can activate or deactivate it. There's also option to customize it, so you can enter this arrow, enter the options with this arrow, and then choose which devices on your laptop will disable, either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And if you activate, for example, Wi-Fi and you enter airplane mode, now the only thing that will work from both of these options is Wi-Fi. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.